We got a mess here, but broken bolts on a 2011 6.7. Injector hold downs. Looked like somebody reused the old bolts. So far I got one of the two that broke. We've got a T27 Torx bit. We've got a 3/16 drill bit. And then, so we drill center. We have the flare end off of a brake line, which to me looks to be about 1/4 inch. Send the flare side down into the bolt hole, keeps the bit centered at the tip. Is able to drill perfectly centered into the bolt. Down far enough to get our Torx in there. Tap that in tight. Backed it right out of the hole. The other one we have is cylinder number 3. Probably gonna have to pull the battery tray. But this beats pulling EGR and the valve cover and the intake.